Mike, if you had to do it, come help me do the work. Now, man, you for it, Boston. Man, you come to the work now. I 2 hour job enough. Come to the work, man. Reggie.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here.
What on? Me's a child of, my Bible tell me say me's a child of a king. You ever see king of white glass? Oh, you're a child of a king. What come in that place? Stop complaining about the work and work if you work. Yo, see Mrs. Score.
He's a setup! He's a setup!
It's a bad goal.
Wait! You forget something maybe you?
Bossy, I tell him we're not betting.
Wicked, them wicked. I don't know how them so wicked.
Put the phone in your pocket, and then you're on my phone. What is that? Alright, say one of my phone then. What? On my phone. I'm scared. On my phone is.
So are you upset about...
No, I'm not obsessed. I'm can't obsess.
On my phone is. On my phone, dearies. Me not gonna hurt nobody today, bossy. You're gonna fire me today. Thank you for watching this video, guys. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. Don't keep the fun to yourself. Share it with your friends and family. And remember, click that notification bell because YouTube will not send you anything more from me. Until next time, big up yourself and stay strong.